Protecting your truck bed is easy to do with Krylon Automotive truck bed coating. This product has a durable texturized finish with impact resistance. When completing a project, always spray in a well-ventilated area. Before beginning, gather your supplies. It is important to prep your vehicle to ensure that Krylon Automotive truck bed coating properly adheres. First, clean out your truck bed by removing all dirt and debris and then wash with a pressure washer. Use a strong household detergent or wax and grease remover to thoroughly remove oils, chemicals, and other contaminants. Allow the surface to fully dry. For areas that you do not want to paint, use painter's tape and paper or plastic to cover and protect from overspray. Next, use a scuff pad on the entire truck bed to dull the surface. Remove sanding dust with a clean cloth to check for any glossy spots. If any glossy spots remain, repeat the scuffing process in those areas. Once completely finished sanding, wipe down the truck bed again with the wax and grease remover. Allow to fully dry. Shake the can well before starting to spray. It is always a good idea to test on a piece of cardboard before spraying your vehicle. Hold the can 12 to 15 inches from the surface. Apply Krylon truck bed coating in a sweeping motion, overlapping each pass for a uniform look. 2 to 3 coats are recommended, but the more coats you apply, the more protection for your truck bed. Before the paint is fully cured, remove the painter's tape and paper to avoid any chipping or peeling of paint. Krylon Automotive helps repair and maintain your vehicle. Visit Krylon.com for more information.